Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to three-dimensional space CET classes, planes in space. So one by one problem today we have to solve that. Theory part already completed. Now we are going to question number 1. First question, read the problem. The equation of the plane which is at a distance of 2 units from the horizon and whose normal has the direction cosines 3 upon 13 minus 12 upon 13, 4 upon 13 is. So what is asking equation of the plane? We know that equation of the plane in the normal form. So what is that is? R bar dot n cap is equal to D. What is the meaning of R bar? General vector. N cap. N cap meaning what? That is normal unit vector from the plane. D is what? Perpendicular distance from the horizon to the plane. Perpendicular distance of the plane from the horizon. So substitute here. So this is also nothing but in general form. This is in the vector form. Cartesian form, Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. So both are equal. We derived these two. In vector form, this is the answer. In Cartesian form, this is the answer. L, M, N are given. Direction cosines. Substitute here. 3 upon 13 into x minus 12 upon 13 into y plus n value 4 upon 13 into z equals D. Distance is equal to 2 given. That is what? Distance of 2 units from the horizon. Simplify. We get 3x minus 12y plus 4z cross multiplying is equal to 26. So check the answer. 3x minus 12y plus 4z equals 26. This is the answer of the question. So very simple model. So remember all of you, in vector form this is the formula. In Cartesian form this is the formula. Okay. We derived theorem also, very important theorem, all of you practice. Now question number 2, second question. The direction cosines of normal to the plane of 3x minus 2y plus 6z plus 7 is equal to 0. Or what are the direction cosines of normal to the plane? So what are the direction ratios to find out? So answer of this problem, what are the DRs of this normal plane? So DRs of normal are coefficients we have to take 3, minus 2, 6. Once we know the DRs, okay, we can easily find out direction cosines, DCs. So DCs are, we know the DCs formula, A upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. So this is the A, B, C. Formula apply that. A value 3 upon. So if you have any doubt, firstly we should find out square root of A square plus B square plus C square value. Very easy. Square root of A square value 9 plus minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 6 whole square 36 equals 7. Now answer directly right. So here 3 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7, 6 upon 7. Observe that. So which is the right answer? Option number 3 is the right answer. Okay, very simple model in 3D. You can easily get score in this problem. one more thing I have to say, that theory part should be practice more and more time. Now go through the question number 3. Third question. Question number 3, observe that. Read firstly question, what he has given, what is the suitable formula, how to find out step by step. The perpendicular distance from the horizon to the plane. So perpendicular distance, we know very well. We have the different methods also there. You can use perpendicular distance formula, direct formula is there, solution. So perpendicular distance from horizon, keep in your mind this formula, magnitude of d upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So this problem for one more question, very very important, not only in CET, even in theory also it is important. So perpendicular distance from horizon to the plane. So what is the d value? 12. So 12 upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So what are the ABC values? Here remember, ABC are actually direction ratios of a normal to the plane. So those are ABC. So here x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient are DRs. What are the x, y, z coefficients? 2, 2, minus 1. These are ABC. So 2 square 4 plus 2 square plus minus 1 whole square becomes 1 equals 12 upon square root of 9, 3 is equal to 4 units. So enough, this much is enough. So like we have to do it the questions in CET level, maximum taking, so 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 maximum, that is maximum 1 minute. Okay. So like we have to solve the questions. Shall we go question number 4? So what is the question number 4? So fourth question, the perpendicular distance from the point, okay, just now what is completed? Perpendicular distance from horizon to the plane. This is any point, not only horizon, any point is given. So what is the formula? Okay, for this one, fourth bit, perpendicular distance, okay, is equal to, I take directly formula, a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c into z1 plus d, whatever d here, either plus or minus, square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So what is the point? Point we have to denote like this, x1, y1, z1. Plane, this is the plane always, ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Okay, plane given, point has given, we have to find perpendicular distance. Very clear? Substitute the values. Can you do it this one? Okay, very simple. 2 into, okay, x value 2, that is 2 into 1, that is 2, magnitude take. Next 2 into y1, that is minus 3, y is equal to y1. Put x equal to x1, y is equal to y1, z is equal to z1. So 2 into minus 2 minus 3, it becomes minus 6. Minus 3 into 5 becomes minus 15 plus 5 divided by square root of a square, x coefficient 1 square plus b square, y coefficient 2 square 4 plus c square minus 3 whole square, that is 9. Simplify, is equal to 2 minus 2 plus 5, 7. Okay, 7 minus 21, that is minus 14 magnitude upon square root of 14 is equal to 14 upon square root of 14. If we cancel that, root 14 times. So this is the answer of this problem. Is there? Yes. So that is answer. Square root of 14 is the right answer. Is it clear? Shall we go to the next question? Okay, take the problem number 5. Problem number 5. So what is the problem number 5? Read the question. The question is, the equation of the plane passing through the point is given, and whose normal has drs. Okay, this is related to theorem number 2 in the plane. What is the equation of a plane? So we studied theorem number 2 in vector form and Cartesian form. Vector form. So remember, here Cartesian form only required. Equation of the plane is formula in Cartesian form: a bracket x minus x1 plus b bracket y minus y1 plus c bracket z minus z1 equals 0. Okay. Now the point given, drs given, simplify. Can I simplify this one? Okay, I can simplify. What are the drs here? 3 bracket x minus 1 becomes plus 1. Clear? Plus b 4 bracket y minus 2 plus 5 bracket z minus 3 equals 0. Okay, my dear friends. Friends, very easy. These are simple questions are there actually in 3-dimensional. But mainly what we have to remember, formulas here. What is the suitable formula according to question? So according to situation, we have to change the formula. 3x plus 3 plus 4y minus 8. Open the bracket. Plus 5z minus 15 equals 0. Simplify. 3x plus 4y plus 5z, 3 minus 5 minus 8, that is minus 5 minus 15 minus 20 is equals 0. Check here. Which option is true? 3x here, there, plus 4y plus 5z. Okay, they are also same, only minus 20. Hence second option is the right answer. Clear this one? Some people they are doing in different ways. So or else we can use by verification method. So by verification hangandrenu cross checking. Cross checking meaning what? Here substitute the point here. Is it satisfied or not? Why? Because two options are there. 3, 4, 5. Okay, DRs very easy. Now we are going to point checking. So put if the any option is satisfied at that point, that is our required answer. Okay, this is the by verification method. Either cross checking method or formula method. So this is the actual method, exact process. We need not to go verification method. It is very shortcut method. Okay. So like we should follow 2 to 3 methods compulsory required in the CET classes. Now we are going to question number, next question, that is 6th one. Okay, so read the question. The plane passing through -1, 2, 3 and whose angles and whose line, normal meaning what? Normal line, that it is a line, normal nothing but a line, perpendicular line, makes angles with the coordinate axis. If any line, so already this is very important question in the theory exam. Okay now friends. So what is that is? If any line makes an angle, okay na, makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. Makes angles with the coordinate axis. I think here makes equal angles here. I think makes, the question is like this, makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. Then what is the equation of a plane here? So already this problem, whenever here given like the condition, if any line makes equal angles with the coordinate axis, so remember direction cosines, okay, direction cosines. If remember this is exact, that is NCERT textbook exercise problem, and for theory very important question. If a line makes equal angles with, okay na, the coordinate axis, with the coordinate axis, then what are the direction ratios, or what are the direction cosines? So direction cosines are, we proved already there, plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3, or else DRs. So DRs means what here? These are proportional. Proportional meaning what are the DRs here? 1, 1, 1. These are the DRs only. DCs become this one. These are DRs and DCs are proportional values. A upon root A square plus B square plus. Why? Because this is the common ratio. Common ratio we can divide. So eliminate that is. So we get DRs 1, 1, 1. So these are nothing but A, B and C. A, B and C value. Now question follow that. We got the DRs, point is given. So equation of the plane. So what is the equation of the plane? Just now given formula, same formula apply here. What is the formula? A bracket. A is what? 1. In exam no need to do like the theory clean steps. With clearly no need to solve. Rough work is required in the CET exam. Theory exam with clarity required, with neatness. So equation of the plane is 1 into point is minus 1, that is x plus 1 plus b bracket y minus y1 plus c value is 1 bracket z minus z1 equals 0. Clear? Simplify. This implies x plus 1 plus y minus 2 plus z minus 3 equals 0. Okay. Now the answer will be x plus y plus z plus 1 minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 4 it becomes. Okay, equals 0. So check your option. Now the answer got it, that is there or not? Check up. X plus y plus z minus 4 here only there. So x minus y plus z plus 4, that is. So third option is the right answer. Is it easy? Yes, simple that is actually. Whenever you solve the questions, whenever you perfect in concepts, CET problems are dead easy. Now we are going to question number 7. Read the question here. Problem number 7. A plane passes through 2, 3, minus 1. A plane passes through 2, 3, minus 1 and is perpendicular to the line having direction ratios 3, minus 4, 7. Okay, full stop. The perpendicular distance from horizon to the plane is. So here how many applications are there? Firstly we have to read. Identify first of all. So up to this is one question only. So what he is asking? Previous model question. Find the equation of the plane passing through the point whose DRs are 3 minus 4, 7. And second application, this is only find the perpendicular distance from the horizon. You see here, if there is more than one application is given, so these type of questions are related to JEE main. Clear? More than one application is there. Single application is given. One day application given means JEE, that is CET exam. More than one application is given, that is JEE main exam. Okay? Like the questions are always given. But easy question. See how to solve. Firstly, what is required? Equation of the plane required. So point given, DRs given. So just now we have seen the problem formula. I should go directly, okay, for direct answer. Equation of the plane is A bracket. A is what? This is A, B, C. Remember, x1, y1, z1. Clearly cut. So A value 3 times x minus 2 plus B. B is minus 4 bracket y minus 3 plus C bracket z minus z1 is equal to 0. Simplify. That is 3x minus 6 minus 4y plus 12 plus 7z plus 7 equals 0. Further simplifying, 3x minus 4y plus 7z constants minus 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 7 plus 13 equals 0. I got equation of the plane passing through the point whose direction ratios. Now second application will be perpendicular distance from the horizon. So I will go through second application, that is perpendicular distance. Just now given formula, magnitude of perpendicular distance from horizon d upon root over a square plus b square plus c square. Number of times along with me you also call perpendicular distance. You should call like that. You should memorize. Perpendicular distance is equal to magnitude of d by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. From which point? From the horizon. From the horizon, important. So this is equal to d is what? 13 upon root over a square 3 minus 4 7. 3 square is 9 minus 4 whole square plus 7 whole square equals 13 upon square root of, so here 16 plus 9 25. Okay, so 9 4, that is 74. So answer is what? 13 by square root of 74. This is the answer. Where it is? That is the option number 4 is the right answer. Clear? Now I am going to question number 8. Please note down fastly these things. Question number 8. Quickly note down. Next question. Read carefully the problem. If the foot of the perpendicular from 0 0 0 to a plane is 1 2 2, then the equation of the plane is, almost all here same model question given. So according to problem we have to take the geometrical figure. This is the plane only. So let O be the origin. O be what? Origin this is. From the origin, I have to draw the perpendicular to the plane. This is perpendicular. It meets at which point? Some the point at point P. The point is what? 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 only this is. So what is the equation of the plane passing through this point only? So that means this is what you call actually, it is called normal of the plane only, correct? So normal of the plane means what are the drs? Find out. Okay, so drs of this plane, drs of OP. So drs of OP, whenever given 2 points, how to calculate drs of OP line? Drs of OP, 2 points are given, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 are 2 points. If given 2 points, to calculate the drs, we should use x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Very simple. So that is 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0. So these are drs of OP, that is 1, 2, 3. Once you get drs, point also necessary is given. Now we can find out equation of the plane. So equation of the plane. Equation of the plane is, substitute the point, drs 1 bracket x minus 1 plus y bracket y minus 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2 here, 2 given means 2 take, 2 minus 0. So 1, 2, 2, that is 2 bracket z minus 2 is equal to 0. You do not take one point, okay, you can try like this, you will delete anything. So 1, 2, 2 here, same point we have to do, given points always take. Now simplify, this is our final answer, x minus 1 plus 2y minus 4 plus 2z minus 4 equals 0. This becomes x plus 2y plus 2z, okay, and simplify, minus 1 minus 4 minus 4, total value minus 9 is equal to 0. Check option, which is correct? This is not satisfied. Second option, yes, it is satisfied. Okay, like we have to put the answers always. Quickly note down. Shall we go next problem? What is the next question? Question number 9. The intercepts of the plane, 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y plus 6z minus 24 is equal to 0 are. Do you remember intercept form? Yes. What is the intercept form? X upon A plus y upon B plus z upon C is equal to 1. So I take the equation of the plane first. Okay. After that, constant should be make it positive. So here minus 24 is there. I have to take on right side. So we get 3x minus 4y plus 6z minus 24 means equals 24. Okay. Now on right side we should make 1. How to make as 1? So divide by this equation, divide by 24. Whenever divided by 24, this becomes x upon 3 by 24, that is, how much that is? 8 times, correct? Okay, you know very well simplification, plus y by 4, how many times here? 4, 6 times, so minus already take here only, positive, x upon A plus y upon B plus 6 upon 24, that is 4 equals 24 by 24. Now is in standard form? Yes, it is in the form of x by a plus y by b